Hi friends, I thought I'd make some short and useful videos for everyone. Don't forget to give it a like, watch the video till the end and you will find out why you should be friends with Jesus and who TOP4 is. If you guys are still not subscribed to my channel, please do. I'm going to make more content for all of you. You can also subscribe to our Telegram channel where you can follow popular projects and read crypto world news. You will find all the links down below in the description. So let's jump into mistake number 1. Beginners run after easy money without understanding and at least simple trading tool, guys. I'm not going to advise you financial literacy books and technical analysis guides. For a good start, you can use the Binance Academy. It would be enough for the beginning. You will learn about what is cryptocurrencies, blockchain, Bitcoin, Satoshi, how it works, how crypto exchanges function, what cryptocurrencies are, how to make transactions, and so on. Which wallets to use to keep your first million in and more, it's very important, and the basics of secure behavior in the crypto space. Mistake number 2 is lack of your own research. You might have seen this abbreviation somewhere. DYOR is short for do your own research. Multiple influencers will tell you a lot of fascinating information. Yes, exactly just like I do. But if you watch my videos till the end, you will know that I ask you to be independent and do not trust anybody. There is a lot of fraud in the crypto world. You can be subscribed to a variety of groups that tell you where to invest. If you don't do your own research investigation, you will mostly lose money on it. So guys, never forget to make your own research before investing. Mistake number 3 is lack of patience. We all heard about people becoming a millionaire overnight. They drive a red Ferrari and have a monsoon on an island. I guess it's possible if you're a friend of Jesus, but don't choose that as your own main path. Start small and you'll definitely become successful. Here's my favorite quote from an investment guru, Warren Buffett. He said, "The stock market is a device to transfer money from impatient to patient. Follow the strategy you find the best for your current financial situation. Don't invest more you're ready to lose and you'll get positive results, guys." And mistake number 4, while working with a large percentage of capital, remember that investing in cryptocurrencies is a huge risk and no one is insured from losses. How many of you bought Luna? Did you see this? Turns out you should have better bought UST. Mr. TOP4 will take care of all of its holders. Personally, I invest no more than 30% of my capital in cryptocurrencies. It saves me from depression. Newbies, on the other hand, often use all available funds. This is a very big mistake in my opinion. It's better always leave a reserve for unseen circumstances, guys. This video took longer than I thought it would. Share your experiences in the comments. If there are gurus among you, we are waiting for advice and recommendations. See you soon.